Billie Eilish is an American citizen who is well known as a singer, songwriter, and model. Although she had started singer much earlier, her star shone brighter in 2016 after releasing her debut single titled Ocean Eyes. This was done on audio distribution platform SoundCloud. She also received a platinum certification for the two singles, Lovely and Ocean Eyes, with Khalid. In 2017, she did her debut episode titled Do Not Smile at Me, and since then her path to her destiny has been full of victories. Early life and biography. Billie Eilish Barrett Baird O'Connell was born on December 18th in 2001. She was born in Los Angeles, California, to her parents Maggie Baird and Patrick O'Connell. Billie has a brother named Finance O'Connell. Billie was lucky to be born in a family of actors and musicians. Hence, choosing a career path for her was not a big challenge. Billie was raised alongside her older brother Finance O'Connell in the Highland Park neighborhood, and the two were homeschooled to enable them to pursue their different careers. Personal life. Billie Eilish has a unique style. While other celebrities spend much of their time looking for best well-fitting clothes that will give them a perfect outlook, she walks on a different path. Billie's style and choice of dressing is that of the boogie and ill-fitting clothing. According to Billie, she said she chose that style to avoid being body shamed by her fans. According to Billie, no one can tell how big or how small she is, and nobody knows expect those close to her, and at least with them she is safe. As of early 2020, Billie Eilish resided in Highland Park in northeast Los Angeles with her parents. She has confused to being suffering from synesthesia and Tourette syndrome, and she also experienced depression. She has also been able to rise vegetarian and has advocated for veganism regularly of social media. Age, height and weight. Being born on 18 December 2001, Billie Eilish is 19 years old as of today's date, 7th September 2021. Her height is 5 foot 3 inches and her weight is 61 kg in kilogram. Career. Billie recorded her song Ocean Eyes in October 2015, which entirely meant for her dance classes. She handed this song to her dance trainer to ensure it was included to Billie's next dance routine. However, this song was uploaded in early 2016 on SoundCloud, and the music video was released by March the same year. The song was well received and was able to make over 10 million hits in a span of very few months. Billie was lucky enough to receive offers from different records that were ready to buy the rights of this song. However, it was a dark room and Interscope Records that was granted the privilege of releasing this song worldwide. The song became a significant and commercial success. Before Billie released the episode officially, she had managed to release two singles titled I Do Not, We Know You More and My Boy. After she released the episode, she would add new songs every Friday. She released the episode on 12th August 2017. In 2018, she was able to release the singles You Should See Me in a Crown and Bitches Broken Hearts. In 2019, Billie got involved in several other activities and collaboration. Some of this included debut of I Speak My Truth in My Clavins by Calvin Klein. She was also part of the Shazzy the Award campaign among many others. Awards and achievements. Billie Eilish is among celebrities who have received an uncountable number of awards and nominations. Some of these awards include 2 American Music Awards wins and nomination for several categories, all in 2019. She won 2 awards by Apple Music Award for different categories in 2019, just to mention a few. Net worth and salary of Billie Eilish in 2021. Billie Eilish's net worth is currently estimated at $8 million as of September 2021. Although there is no information about Billie's annual salary, by the look of things, we can be sure that she is making a great fortune from her career as a singer and a songwriter. Billie is a hard-working lady who is fully lost of the music industry and is always improving her skills as a singer and a songwriter. Apart from music, Billie also managed to celebrate with Takshi Mukami to release clothing by the inspiration of her music video titled You Should See Me in a Crown. Billie and Adobe Creative Cloud collaborated the same month in a number of advertisements. She also got into a social media art contents in April of 2019.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are here.